Scitek Global Company Limited is a professional supplier of high-quality laboratory and medical equipment. As an CE-certified supplier from R&D to quality control and global delivery, we are committed to supporting scientific research and healthcare worldwide. Our one-stop solution streamlines procurement by offering a comprehensive product portfolio, including biological safety cabinet, laminar flow cabinet, fume hood, glassware washer, pathology equipment, centrifuge spectrophotometer, incubator, freezer, and electrochemical instruments. Quality is at the core of everything Scitek do. Our R&D and quality control teams drive continuous innovation, ensuring precision, reliability, and compliance with evolving industry needs. Through an independent quality control system, every stage from raw material inspection to final product testing is rigorously monitored to ensure consistent defect-free performance. We provide responsive pre-sales consultation and reliable after-sales technical service. Whether you require standard products or customized OEM solutions, Scitek Global delivers consistency, transparency, and long-term partnership. Till now, Scitek services customers to more than 150 countries, mainly in Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and Europe. We have received thousands of positive reviews from customers worldwide for products and services. Beyond product supply, Scitek actively participates in international exhibitions across Germany, the UAE, Indonesia, Nigeria, and other regions. These engagements enable us to better understand market demands, distributor expectations, and real-world application challenges, which we continuously integrate into product development and customer support. Scitek remains committed to continuously delivering better products and enhanced service. Partner with Scitek Global, delivering more than equipment, trust, expertise, and global reach.